My experience so far has been excellent with Dr. Bryan. I was recommended to Dr. Bryan by my wife. About 9-10 years ago, she had LASIK surgery done, and as a result of that, she was just delighted with the outcome. I was very apprehensive about it at first when she mentioned that maybe I should talk to Dr. Bryan, because a few years ago I had a sort of an industrial accident in which I hurt one of my eyes with a chain, a tractor, and chain is only as strong as its weakest link, which is unfortunate because I did get quite a bit of damage. However, she asked me if I wouldn't mind talking to Dr. Bryan and at least find out if something could be done. Well, unbeknownst to me, when I did come in for the appointment and Dr. Bryan looked at me, the eye that had been damaged was not the eye that was causing me issues. It happened to be my other eye. I had a cataract, and I was certainly shocked to hear that, but concerned enough to look at the items or look at the several ways to deal with that. And when he walked me through the process, still, it is your eye, and certainly you are concerned about things, but like anything else, if there's a way to get something fixed, I think it's better to look past the apprehension and look forward to perhaps someone being able to help you. And that certainly is what happened with Dr. Bryan. The staff, the whole situation has been just a terrific experience, and I had my surgery done. In fact, today is 1 week past when the surgery was completed. I'm very, very thankful to say that it went flawlessly, but the most important thing is I've noticed little things here and there, such as I'm able to read a little bit better without my glasses. It's not crystal clear yet, but certainly within a week, what can one expect? But I look at everything from the perspective of what good can come out of this, rather than, oh, what could happen, because first of all, you have to pick what I would imagine to be one of the world's best. And I felt very comfortable with Dr. Bryan. He's certainly taking care of my wife's eyesight, and she had terrible astigmatism, and she can now read without glasses, and she's just delighted with her progress. So I look forward to the same type of progress, and I can't thank the staff. I can't thank Dr. Bryan enough. I certainly did a lot of reading, and I looked at a lot of information with regards to the Institute here, and I value my eyesight just as well as or as much as everyone else does. As a result of that, I think I've chosen wisely, and following my wife's footsteps, she couldn't have recommended anyone better than Dr. Bryan and his staff. And so I look forward to seeing better in the future, and I'm going to return to see what he can do with my right eye that was damaged in that industrial accident. I can see good, but certainly there's some issues there, and he said he would like to get the one eye fixed, and then we'll address the other one once that one is repaired. So thank you again for this opportunity to give you a genuine, heartfelt appreciation and thank you for all things that Dr. Bryan and his staff have done for not just me, but my wife. Thank you again.